Hi guys, this is Imran, your host, and you are watching my YouTube channel. Today, riktoimran, I'm unboxing my new mini microphone, Havit M60. So, brand name Havit and model number M60. So, before the unboxing, please subscribe my channel and hit on the bell icon. And I will send you the notifications for my next videos. If you are already subscribed my channel, thank you very much. So this is time to going to unboxing my new this is my new microphone, Havit M60 mini microphone. It's made in China. I show you made in China product, and this is the microphone, Havit M60 mini microphone, straight microphone just and it's connected to that microphone, and this is the connected on PC. Condenser microphone, high quality recorder, full fit, all kind of noise, Z connection, 3.5 millimeter stereo jack, stereo track plug, havit.hk, and it's 100% China product, made in China. The barcode. The specifications. Specification is the frequency response 20 Hz to 16 kilohertz, sensitivity minus 39 dB, plus minus 3 dB, cable length 2.5 mm into 1.5 m, and plug 3.5 mm. Other languages. Background noise cancellation technology. The use of noise cancellation technology, microphone, voice clarity, portable, lightweight design, suitable for desktop and laptop dual use. So the model number M60. Any other the specification, write down at it. 3.5 millimeter jack, computer USB ports, plug in no software, simply insert into the computer USB port. This is the best thing, I think, ways to wear. So this is the time to unboxing. Nice pack. Well, this is my new microphone, Havit HVM 160. I don't know if you will watch it or not. Havit M60 HVM microphone. So very much lightweight. I'm disappointed about the noise reduction foam. It's not here, so cable length not more enough, but enough to make the voice record with the short distance, so it's okay. And so my Havit HBM60 microphone, review and unboxing review. Finally, I will say to goodbye before the goodbye. So please subscribe my channel and hit on the bell icon for our next videos. And if you are already subscribed my channel, it's many thanks to you. Or if you like this video, so please give a like your friend. Thank you very much. Goodbye here today. Bye bye.